Apples in middle space. I don't know. Is this a Tim and Eric bit? Oh no, I remember this. This is Look Around You. Oh, the three most beautiful words in the universe.
Hello, I'm Bill Shatner, and I've been learning about robots.
Hello, Bill Shatner.
Yes, robots, and particularly about the very important part they play in industry.
Oh man, this rules.
I want to share with you some of the things I've learned.
Bill, that sounds great. Oh, so we're talking like Chevy assembly line robots, not androids. Bummer. Spoilers for the movie No Other Choice, I guess. So, why are they spelling Robin Leach? Who even needs humans? Stupid humans. Robots. When you really need a thing moved from right here to just slightly over there. Man, hire me. I could spell robotics a lot faster than this.
Now, the science of designing and building robots and the productive use of these modern-day machines is called robotics.
You say robotics. I say robotics.
Robotics.
Not now, R3. Does this count as a bit?
Let's get on with our story without...
Robot sickens me.
Mr. Shottier. Mr. Shottier.
You stepped on my line.
May I have your autograph, please?
Isn't that cute? This little character wants my autograph.
That'll be $90 and I'll personalize it for $200.
You know, when most people think about robot, they very possibly visualize something like this one.
When I think about robot, I
Maybe
do
a larger
indeed.
edition of the same thing.
There you go, Tweaky.
Here you go.
I find this on eBay, you're a planter.
Okay, little guy. Thank you.
This is a long bit.
Thank you.
That'll do.
In the trade, robots like that are usually referred to as personal robots.
Oh, I get it.
They're amusing, they're entertaining, and they can be programmed to do a number of useful things around the house. Program. That's the key word, and you'll hear it a lot today.
It's the secret word.
But this type of robot is already playing a much larger and more important part in education.
He's substituting for Ms. Dugan.
Computer and microprocessors are not new in the classroom, but when a programmable educational robot is added, the study of computer science takes on a new perspective. Ideas are transformed into action.
The same 2 or 3 clunky actions over and over again, but actions all the same.
Your answer for 11 minus 7 is 4. You are correct.
He validated us.
But that's an entirely different story. We're going to talk about industrial robots,
Oh.
the steel-collar workers of today.
Okay.
And we'll begin right over here with a robot that meets the most often used and very official-sounding definition of industrial robot. Are you ready for this?
No, but since when does that matter?
Robot. A reprogrammable, multifunctional manipulator. There's more to the definition of industrial robot, but that'll do for now.
Hey, it's your world,
All
Bill.
right, buddy. Hold it, please.
Nimoy would have been nicer.
Industrial robots come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes. This is a typical computer-controlled robot with 6 different movements or degrees of freedom. Some industrial robots have fewer degrees of freedom. A few have even more.
One has a flamethrower.
The first degree of freedom, the arm sweep. It's like turning your whole body when you want to reach something that's directly behind you.
Oh, that's just called being 50.
Second degree of freedom, the shoulder swivel.
Yeah, missed that one too.
Here's the third degree of freedom, the elbow extension.
Now you're just showing off.
The fourth is pitch.
Little pitchy, don't you think?
And the fifth degree of freedom is
Denial.
yaw.
Y'all come back now, you hear?
The sixth degree of freedom is roll.
Oh, we're just going to skip right over boogie?
Pitch and yaw and roll together. That's like the human wrist, right?
I guess if you want to be insultingly reductive, sure. Pitch, yaw, roll, yaw, roll, pitch.
And there is where the end effector is attached. End effector, that's the term used for whatever tool is to be fitted, depending on what the robot is required to do.
So like a shoehorn?
That tool, that end effector, could be a riveting gun, a screwdriver, a welding tool, a cutting torch, an inspection device,
Crazy straw.
an adhesive applicator, a laser gun, a paint sprayer, even suction cups, so that the robot can handle flat items such as sheets of glass.
Robot repair, robot replace.
To this robot, we have added a standard grasping device, an end effector.
A murder
It
clamp.
might be used in an assembly operation, or to load or unload a machine tool, or it might be used to fetch the fire extinguisher.
Yeah, mostly that.
Thanks, but no thanks. Body, swivel, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hand. What other comparisons to our human anatomy do we have?
I mean, don't make me say it.
The power supply for this all-electric robot's motors and relays and feedbacks could be compared to our human nervous system.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Can
Yeah,
be said to have a brain.
that's a good one. Yeah.
It's right there, in the cabinet housing the computer control system. Everything the robot has done was previously programmed. Right there.
Wow, a cabinet, you say.
Okay. We're ready for some examples of robotics in action, such as the installation of electronic components in circuit boards.
I don't know, this is pretty lame,
This
Bill.
integrated industrial system includes
really
three
built this up.
robots, each one programmed with its own tasks, and each one synchronized perfectly with the conveyor.
Why was I programmed to feel tedium?
At the end of the line, the population of each circuit board will be complete, with automatic inspection included.
Included?
And, on the subject of inspection, just watch this next robot get things in gear.
Guess I don't have a
It
choice.
will install 3 parts, like this one, in a sub-assembly. But first, each gear must pass inspection. Gear number
Cool.
1 is okay. It goes in place. Gear number 2, it also passes inspection and gets installed.
I sure don't miss those smelly humans who used to do this.
Oh, what's this?
Huh?
A defective part? Down the drain.
Down to the Temu factory in the basement.
Get another number 3 gear.
This really grinds my gears.
Inspect it and install it. And finally, let's give it a whirl.
Wow, it's a thingy.
Now, those robots weren't working alone. They were programmed to work with other robots and with conveyors and even with inspection systems.
Then they all unionized.
Further step is for the industrial robot to interface with other kinds of automated machines. For more about that, we'll visit the National Bureau of Standards.
But I'm not dressed
The
for it.
scope of this busy bureau in the fields of research and testing is very, very big. One part, the Automated Manufacturing Research Facility, is designed to help manufacturers improve productivity and quality through better use of automated machine tools and robots.
You just read their mission
The
statement.
principal aim is to standardize the control systems, the links between robots and other automated machines, so they operate together as one unit, a workstation or cell.
Or squad, or crew. Fun with Shorts is made possible by these smart, attractive patrons. Join us at patreon.com/JoshWay for lots of fun with Shorts, behind-the-scenes goodies, art, movie reviews, and deep, dark confessions on an exclusive podcast feed. All for a pledge as small as $1 per post. We will see you next time for more fun with additional Shorts. Goodbye.